So this is the door they tried breaking in. Turns out it looks like when they put this flooring down, it's higher than the door. So I don't think, and the door's not down much, so I don't think the door's going to open anyways. That's another reason no one could get in. I did put some screws in it to hold it in place. I'm going to have to pop the hinges at some point, take it off, and get it right if I can. Try to anyways. And I did put this panel in here, and I did one on the outside, and maybe we'll add a diamond on the outside and make it a little bit decorative. But it's not an exterior door, so that's another problem. But for right now, we need to deal with this window, and then we can move forward with. Later on, this whole room is going to be, this closet I should say, basically gutted, 2x4s, insulation, the whole deal. Even the ceiling has to come down. So a lot of work in here, but right now we have to work on the siding.